As you know, now there is not just three questions that each and every student has. Instead, there is a pool of questions, and as such, if you have a look at past papers, you will not see the question that you have attempted. So the problem is that for some parts of the syllabus, there is not much of past papers that we can practice on. And one of these examples is Lynch and cross performance pyramid. And the problem is that students do not really understand how to answer questions that aim to test this very model. As we have already discussed, what is the model? Basically, the model is the checklist. Why do companies need models? That's because they want a checklist that is going to help them to ensure that they are not missing anything. So if a question is how Lynch and cross performance pyramid can help ABC company in its performance management, what we need to do, we need to discuss the characteristics of the model. And usually, if we have something new that has never been covered before in this in the scenario, you will get 1 mark for just explaining what it is. But when you explain this, it is important that your explanation is actually tailored to the model. If you just say that Lynch and cross performance pyramid is a performance management model, you will not get a mark, because you might just as well said balanced scorecard or Mendelow's matrix. No, it is not. So the thing is that you need to talk about something that is very specific. So Lynch and cross performance pyramid is the performance management model that praises the importance of cascading down performance measures from the overall company's vision to operational measures. So now, when we discuss how this model is going to help the company, we need to talk about characteristics. So what is that so special that we see? Well, first, we see that it starts from vision. And why is this important? That is important because this ensures that everyone is aiming at the vision, that all of the metrics are selected as to support the vision, and this makes the company more goal congruent. Going next, we have market and finance. So it praises the importance of looking not only into finance, but also into market perspective. Why? Because having enough customers who pay the required margin is essential to ensure financial performance. Next, this model breaks down these two overriding measures of success, market and finance, into those into smaller areas that need to be of the focus of the company. Well, yes, that is what happens. To ensure that customers like us, we need to have proper customer satisfaction. And also we need to have flexibility so that we can satisfy our customers in more ways. And we need to have flexibility in order to utilize resources better. So that would impact finance. And we need to be productive, so more units of output per unit of input. Okay, now we see the operational level. And we can say that this model helps companies to set metrics not only at strategic levels. And do you remember that we have models such as, let's say, balanced scorecard? And this balanced scorecard basically takes this top part of the pyramid and some other models as well. But this model talks about operational level. So this makes the whole company more goal congruent. And also, it cascades down the vision into operational aims, which assist these middle level managers to in their target setting. So that is how Lynch and Cross performance pyramid is going to add value to the company, or improve performance management, or improve performance measurement. Of course, questions can be formulated in different ways. And as such, what we actually have the skeleton on how questions can be formulated, what to look at, what are the parts of the requirement that we need to be alert for. So if you want to study more, then please contact me. Please see the details below. And subscribe it if you want to watch some more videos that break down the logics of APM. And see you next.